Look no further than the 2024 Nissan Frontier. Make comfort and convenience part of every job in this well-equipped Frontier. This midsize pickup is built to work as hard as you do, and it's available at an exceptional value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, keyless start, remote engine start, satellite radio, alarm. Add a little creature comfort to your workday when you're at the wheel of this Frontier. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.